Good morning, students. In the previous class, you have learned about how malaria is caused and what are the symptoms of malaria. In this class, we are going to focus about prevention of malaria. What is prevention? How we can prevent this disease from happening to us. But before we take on the prevention, you should know what is happening inside the body of mosquito. Okay. So, we know that malaria is spread by female Anopheles mosquito. So, let me draw one for you. This is the abdomen part, and female Anopheles mosquito, it is brown in color. Okay. Now, this is the thorax part, and this is the head part. This is proboscis. This is the part mosquitoes use for biting us. Okay, two antennas, and because it is insect, so wings. Female Anopheles mosquito, they have spotted wings, and we have to draw 6 legs also because they are insects. Is it looking like a mosquito? Yes. Now inside the belly, this abdomen of female Anopheles mosquito lives a very small, not one, many small microorganisms called Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a type of protozoa which lives inside the belly of female Anopheles mosquito. Female. Here it is, female Anopheles mosquito. Now we must study the life cycle of this female Anopheles to help us learn about the prevention. One female Anopheles can lay up to 100 to 300 eggs in one go. Okay, they are like this. And where do they lay eggs? They lay eggs in ponds, any water body, any fountain, water tank, empty tires. So these eggs, they can be anywhere between 100 to 200. Okay. And within 1 to 3 days, these eggs hatch and they change into larvae. Okay. And larvae are like small nails. They are like small nails. So, they are immobile. They stay at one place. Because they are many, so larvae. Now larva will take another 7 days to change into pupa. Now pupa are mobile. They can move, they can swim, and they are very light in weight. They can breathe also. In the pupa stage, the mosquitoes, they don't eat anything. Okay. This is because they are many. So, and depending on the temperature, within 1 to 3 days, these pupa, they develop wings and change into adult. So, you can see that mosquitoes' life cycle, it is for few weeks only. But because they lay so many eggs, so they breed very quickly. And what is the breeding season of mosquitoes? It is generally rainy season, July and August in India. So when we want to learn about prevention of malaria, we should learn at what stage we can destroy the mosquitoes. So we can destroy the mosquito at the egg stage also. How? This stage, if we want to destroy, we must not allow the water to become stagnant, because mosquitoes are laying eggs in the stagnant water. So, if we spray kerosene oil on the big water bodies, or if we empty the containers during the rainy season, then mosquitoes will have no place to lay eggs. Okay. In this stage also, in the larva stage also, in the pupa stage also, we can destroy the mosquitoes. Suppose there is a pond with lots of pupa and larva inside it. So, some kind of fish which feed on larva and pupa of mosquito, we can leave them in the ponds. Goldfish is one such fish. Guppies are also fish which feed on larva and pupa of mosquitoes. But still you will see so many mosquitoes in the atmosphere. Now, when the mosquitoes, they are in the air, so it is our responsibility to prevent them from biting us. So what we can do at this stage? At this stage, we can spray insecticide. Have you seen people fogging their area during the rainy season? The purpose is to kill the mosquitoes. Or when you go out, always wear clothes which cover your body fully, so that you are not exposed to mosquitoes. And what else we can do? We can also use mosquito repellents. Mosquito repellents like mosquito repellents. What do? They will repel the mosquitoes from biting us. Okay. We can also apply some kind of ointment on our skin. That also acts as mosquito repellent. Odomos, you know, Odomos also acts as a mosquito repellent. It is an ointment which you apply on your skin. Okay. And the doors and the windows, they should also have meshes on them to prevent the mosquitoes from entering. So that way you can prevent doors and windows. So Odomos is one of the ointment. And what is the mosquito repellent or the insecticide that we usually use? HIT. Okay. These two also can be used for killing the mosquitoes. So this is all about prevention. Okay. But still, if somebody suffers from malaria, so how many days it will take for the symptoms to appear? It will take minimum 3 to 4 days for the symptoms to appear. And when the doctor confirms that the person is suffering from malaria, so what should we do? So now we have to focus on the cure. So cure is meant for all the remedies one applies if somebody suffers from malaria. You know, malaria is a perfectly curable disease if it is diagnosed on time and treated promptly and correctly. So earlier, quinine was the medicine. And it was sourced from bark of cinchona tree. Bark of cinchona tree. And bark of that, the latest one include a number of medicine, and the most popular anti-malarial medicine is chloroquine. Chloroquine phosphate. So, if malaria is treated on time, then it can definitely be cured, and it may take up to 2 weeks to cure malaria completely, to get rid of plasmodium from the body. Okay, and you know, there is very interesting story about discovery by Ronald Ross, that Plasmodium lives inside the body of female Anopheles mosquito. It was such an important discovery that Ronald Ross got Nobel Prize for Medicine for this particular discovery. You can read about it on page 74 and 75 in your book. Thank you so much.